Hello and welcome to this Norma video special. If you happen to be an enthusiast of small calibers with great performance, then you might be interested in the 3 new products we got coming up right after this intro. Today with me here is Hannes. Hannes, you're category manager here at Norma. Thank you for your time.
Moritz, thank you so much for having me.
Let's get started. What are we talking about today?
So let me say something about Norma's heritage first. They've been making ammunition since 1902, which is by now 120 years. They are somewhat the microbrewery of the ammunition industry, but care, passion, and search for the perfect bullet have turned this microbrewery into quite a significant microbrewery. Respecting that making ammo is an ancient craft, they are offering now ammunition for any platform, and both for hunters and for target shooters alike. Today I'm thrilled to bring you the Norma Extreme LR22 rimfire cartridge with its patented and unique bullet design.
What was the main idea behind the development of this bullet?
So the main idea was to use our technology and expertise in ammo making and deliver to the long-range aficionados a cartridge they can use for training purposes. It's, if you will, the little or the baby brother of the more expensive centerfire bullets or centerfire cartridges. It'll give you the same learning curve though. So talking about crosswinds, flat trajectory, flattening the curve, it's all in there, but at a reduced price, and you can do it at your local range.
So what you're saying is that you guys actually developed a 22 rimfire cartridge, but with such high technology and high performance that it can actually act as a training substitute for serious long-range shooters.
Yeah, absolutely. This is exactly what it does.
How do you guys actually achieve this?
So Moritz, I got a bullet right here, and so small yet so technologically advanced. It all starts with a bullet tip which is elongated, and if you look down here you see a rocket tail, and what that rocket tail does is it decreases deceleration, so you spend less time in the air, being less vulnerable to crosswinds, and you get that flat trajectory with a less time to target. So another important thing is quality powder. Quality powder gives you the smallest standard deviations and consistent velocity, which then gives you tight groupings and makes ballistic calculations so much easier time after time.
So what you're saying is that you guys at Norma, you know your powder.
Absolutely. So we put quality powder behind a quality bullet. Everything else is like putting gasoline into your Tesla.
All right guys, there you have it, the new Norma Extreme LR22, a quality 22 rimfire cartridge that you guys can use as a real performant trainer for your serious long-range ambitions. And if you guys are up for a quality 22 rimfire cartridge, but in the context of hunting, we've got something for you in the next section of this video. From 22 cartridge long-range shooting to 22 cartridge hunting, with me still, Hannes, what do we have here?
So what we got here is the Norma Hunter 22 Power, and that is a quality cartridge that is made for discerning hunters, pest control professionals, as well as target shooters.
So what is so special about this cartridge?
You know, it's not easy to make Nordic hunters happy. Those Vikings, they know a thing or two about hunting. So what we wanted to do here is give them choices. That is a cartridge that comes with a lead bullet, and it's meant for areas where you can still hunt with a lead bullet. Norma Hunter 22 Power is all about that quick deadly punch. What you want here is a rapidly expanding bullet with a high velocity and a flat trajectory. The effective hollow point design ensures for a high energy transfer and is dedicated for small game hunting and pest control. Depending on environment, equipment, and individual skill set, the flat trajectory paired with a high velocity make it the ideal choice for shots out to 150 meters. In talking about high velocities, that is exactly the reason why it's copper plated. If it were not, pure lead would smear your barrel's profile.
So the Norma Hunter 22 Power might just be your perfect partner when it comes to small game hunting and pest control. And while we stay at the topic of hunting, we'll make the transition from hot gases to cold gases in the last section of this video. So what is the final product we're going to talk about today?
At Norma, we do have experience across all calibers and platforms, and here in particular, I'm proud to present to you the Norma LR Extreme Airgun Pellet. It's a dedicated pellet for long-range shooting with the highest weight within the Norma Golden Trophy portfolio.
So what is it that makes this airgun pellet so special?
It features an aerodynamic shape and a particularly high weight, and that makes it less prone to crosswinds and leads to more consistency over long ranges.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but as far as I understand it, it has been developed for a very special kind of airgun.
Exactly. It's meant for high-powered airguns, so we're talking about 40 joules or more, and it'll be available in diameters of 4.5 and 5.5 millimeters.
Would you mind giving us a detailed rundown of this special airgun pellet?
Absolutely, Moritz. So the heavy round nose design makes it really slick. That greatly reduces air resistance, and that ensures a flat trajectory, which makes it ideal for shooting beyond 25 meters. Also, tested consistent accuracy from many types of airguns makes it ideal for shooting at longer distances. This applies particularly to the new high-powered PCP airguns, and that opens a whole new field, long-range shooting. Lastly, the high weight and high target velocity fired from these powerful airguns ensures high energy transfer for varmint hunting and any pest control purpose.
Hannes, thank you so much for your time. We hope you've enjoyed our Norma video special about the newest addition in the 22 rimfire cartridge portfolio, be it for hunting or sport shooting, and also those special airgun pellets, even for pest control and long-range shooting. If you've liked this video, please consider giving it a like, dropping a comment, or even subscribing to this channel.